Hello and welcome to Fireside and Fairytale. Today is slightly different, away from samplers and into a little how to do it demonstration for making one of these needle cases. It's my own design and I'm finding that it's really very simple to make up, and it is lovely to have extra needle cases around. With this, I've used 50mm wide velvet ribbon. For this particular one, I'm using white ribbon. And squares of cotton, anchor threads, to make up a little embroidery of my own, just a quick stitch. But if you don't want to spend the time doing an embroidery, then perhaps you could just stitch on one of these ready-made little flowers that are available on the market. Or you could stitch on or glue on initials, whatever you like. I'm using cotton from Fat Quarters. I find that you have a variety to choose from. They tend to come in absolutely gorgeous colours. I know that French Connection have some absolutely wonderful selections. This is simply from Hobbycraft in the UK. Just a pretty little pink with the reverse colourway on the same design. Obviously choose something that's going to match your ribbon and whatever embroidery or extra embellishment that you choose. I have a little mini iron which I use a great deal now, though of course any iron will do. And you could even press the selvages with your fingers if you wanted. There is a little roller on the market that you can get which will press cotton without having to go to the bother and expense of an iron. I'm just turning over maybe about ½ inch at most on all four sides. Then I'm putting the fabrics together, wrong sides facing, so that you have the selvages on the inside. And I've chosen a square size just for the ultimate size, which will be folded over of the needle case. Fold over the ends of the velvet and tuck them in between the fabric selvages. You're going to do that on both sides and place the velvet at a height that you'd like on the needle case. So there we have it in place, and then pin round the edges. This is quite tricky, so just take your time. And you may also want, after pinning, you may want to be more secure and tack round the pinning. And then you're going to make neat little stitches to sew the fabrics together, catching in the velvet at either side. I put a little stitch in at the center there, just to hold the fabrics, because it's quite a long needle case in this case. It just holds it in place. And so there we have it, my new little, that was quick, wasn't it? New little needle case. And you could have a selection. Try and have the velvet matching the fabrics. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've been inspired. Next time it's no doubt back to samplers, so don't feel I've gone away from sampler stitching, which is my usual now. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.